Figure KLMN is transformed to create the image K prime, L prime, M prime, N prime, as shown. Select all the transformations that could have been performed. Again, let me stress to you, select all the transformations. So we could have more than one choice over here. And the hardest part is that you might only have one. But the first option, a reflection over the side LM. So if at all possible, I'm going to draw that in. So we want to reflect this over that line segment LM. And what we would do for that is that we would count just like we did with regard to the line y equals x. So if we start back up here at K, K is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces away from that red line. So we're going to make a right angle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there would be our new K. And that's not where our new K is. Our new K is here. So it's definitely not option A. So I'll erase those. Get rid of option A. Letter B, a rotation of 180 clockwise. And the nice thing about 180 is it doesn't matter clockwise or counterclockwise, the rule is still the same. Just a reminder that the rule is no flip, change both sides. So let's pick a point on here, and I'll stick with K. And the ordered pair for K is 1, 4. Again, for the 180, counterclockwise or clockwise, no flip. But we're going to change both signs. So -1, -4, well, that's a positive start there. So we landed on that. So let's pick another point. Let's pick point N. And N is, the order pair is 3, 2. Again, 180 clockwise means that no flip. Now we're going to change both signs. -3, -2. Well, -3, -2. There's N. And we can even do a third point if we picked point M. Again, the OST likes to trick us. But 1, -2, no flip, means 1, -2, but we change both signs. So we get -1, +2, and -1, +2 does land on our other M. So definitely our choice B is an answer. Again, I at least would erase that grid right there because it gets jumbled up fast. Letter C says a reflection over the x-axis. A reflection over the x-axis followed by a translation of left 3 units. Let's start with K again. And the value of K, the ordered pair, is 1, 4. And actually, I don't even really need to write down the ordered pair, but I do need to go back up here and mark the x-axis. So here's the x-axis. It's a slight bit off there. And now what happens is that the point K is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces away from that red line. So 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So here's the K. But then what it says is it says followed by a translation of left 3 units. So 1, 2, 3, that should be our new K, and it isn't. So option C is not an option. I'm going to come back over here and erase that point, that picture. Letter D, a reflection over the y-axis. a reflection over the y-axis. Here's our y-axis. And I'll start with point K, and point K is one space away from that, so our new K would be here. But then it says it's going to be followed by a reflection over the x-axis, which is here. And if we reflect it, that pinkish purple point is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces away. So 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces away. And that was K here, so it did land on K. So let's try another one. Let's try N. Well, we're going to reflect over the y-axis first for N. So N is 1, 2, 3 spaces away. So 1, 2, 3, here's N. And then a reflection over the x-axis. Well, that value is 2 spaces away from the pinkish line, and 2 spaces away will give us our new N. And really, we should try M. And when I come over here to M, it's 1 space away from the pinkish purple line. So on the other side, 1 space away from the pinkish purple line, because we're reflecting over the y-axis first, and it's 2 spaces away from the pink line and 2 spaces away on the other side. It definitely matches up there. And then lastly, a rotation of 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin. Pick one point, and again I'm going to stick with the value of K, which is the 1, 4. The 90 degrees counterclockwise means that we're going to flip, and we're going to change the first sign. So -4, 1, and I need to come over here and erase this picture before I can identify what I need to. -4, 1 would be our new K before we translate right 3 and down 5. Well, look, it landed on there, so that's a good start. So we're going to pick another point on this one. Let's try N. And N has a value of 3, 2. So we're going to flip and change the first sign. So -2, 3. So here's our new N, but now we have to translate right 3. 1, 2, 3, and down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one lands on M. It doesn't land on N. Again, OST likes to trick you. It is not option E.